Air filters are one of the most important parts of engine maintenance. If done incorrectly, it can lead to rapid engine failure. If you do it right, you can add thousands of hours to your engine life. Here's something many people don't know. A filter that is a bit dirty can clean the air better than a new one. Why? When the dust collects in the filter, the tiny holes get smaller, so it can stop more dirt from getting into the engine. The danger is not a used filter. The danger is touching it too much. Blowing it out with compressed air can damage it. It can tear the paper inside. It can also push dirt deeper into the air filter. Buying a new filter is always the best option. The cost of new filter are cheap insurance compared to the cost of an overhaul and the downtime that comes with it. But as a personal opinion, if you must clean it, do it only once with low air pressure from the inside to the outside. As a best practice, use a restriction gauge. It tells you when the filter needs to be replaced. No guessing. Don't remove it just to check. Every time you take it out, dirt can get in. When you install a new filter, make sure it fits right. It's best to use genuine OEM replacement part because a bad fit is worse than a dirty filter. So here's the rules. Install a new restriction gauge on that shiny new pickup of yours, and the next time you go through the stay in your car oil change shop, tell them, leave your filter alone.